How wolverines dominate. The ultimate Arctic survivor. It's easy to overlook the wolverine. They often get lost in the shadow of larger, more charismatic animals like bears and wolves. Yet, this misconception believes a creature of incredible power and tenacity. Found primarily across North America's Arctic and subarctic regions, the wolverine isn't just a distant relative of these familiar predators, it's arguably one of the most formidable in its own right. Their reputation stems from an astonishing combination of strength, aggression, and relentless determination. They routinely challenge animals many times their size for food and territory, demonstrating a level of confidence that is truly remarkable. Often weighing between 20 to 50 pounds, they possess bone-crushing jaws and incredibly sharp claws, tools perfectly suited for survival in a harsh environment. It's easy to underestimate a wolverine. They're relatively compact animals, usually weighing between 20 and 45 pounds. But don't let their size fool you. These tenacious creatures possess an astonishing bite force. It's truly remarkable. In fact, a wolverine's bite can exert over 1,300 psi, surpassing that of lions, tigers, and even bears. This incredible power allows them to crack bones, tear through frozen carcasses, and defend themselves against much larger predators. The strength in their jaws is just one example of how perfectly adapted they are for survival in harsh environments. Wolverines are notorious for their incredible scavenging abilities, and it's truly a remarkable aspect of their behavior. They possess an almost unparalleled capacity to consume massive amounts of food. We're talking up to 1/6 of their body weight in just a single feeding. That's equivalent to a human eating 50 pounds of food at once. It's astounding. This isn't about nibbling or grazing. They gorge themselves when the opportunity arises. And what's even more impressive is how they acquire that food, often challenging animals far larger and stronger than themselves. They are known to brazenly steal kills from wolves, bears, and lynx, demonstrating a boldness and tenacity rarely seen in the animal kingdom. Wolverines are notoriously territorial animals, and their defense zones can be absolutely staggering. A single wolverine might control an area of up to 300 square miles, especially in more barren landscapes where resources are scarce. This isn't a casual boundary. They fiercely defend it against all challengers. And these aren't small skirmishes either. They've been known to confront animals many times their size, wolves, and even bears, demonstrating an unbelievable level of courage and sheer determination. It's truly remarkable how such a relatively compact animal can hold its own against predators typically considered apex species, highlighting the immense power packed into this tenacious creature. The wolverine's survival in such harsh landscapes is intrinsically linked to its remarkable coat. It's incredibly dense. Think of it as multiple layers working together. Each individual hair is hollow at the base, trapping air and providing exceptional insulation against frigid temperatures. This allows them to endure blizzards and sub-zero conditions that would quickly incapacitate many other animals. The fur also features an oily texture, which repels moisture, further enhancing its insulating properties. It's a truly remarkable adaptation, essential for thriving in the icy grip of the northern wilderness. When it comes to motherhood, female wolverines are truly remarkable. They exhibit an intensity and dedication that's almost unparalleled in the animal kingdom. After a long gestation period, she'll create a den, often reusing or expanding on existing burrows from badgers or foxes, meticulously preparing it for her kits. These dens aren't just simple holes in the ground. They are carefully constructed nurseries, providing warmth and protection, and defending them. That's where her legendary ferocity really shines through. She will aggressively confront any perceived threat, regardless of size or strength, displaying an unwavering determination to safeguard her young. This isn't a casual defense. It's a primal instinct fueled by the need to ensure the survival of her offspring. Wolverines possess a remarkable intelligence that often surprises those unfamiliar with them. They aren't just brute force animals, they're adept problem solvers, capable of figuring out how to get what they need even when faced with seemingly insurmountable challenges. We've observed wolverines using rocks to break open frozen ground and access cached food during harsh winters, a clear demonstration of tool use. They also manipulate logs or branches to create bridges across streams or reach otherwise inaccessible prey. This level of ingenuity highlights their cognitive abilities and adaptability, proving they're far more than just tenacious fighters. Wolverines possess an almost unbelievable ability to recover from injuries. Imagine a creature enduring what would be crippling damage for virtually any other animal: deep gashes, bone fractures, even severe blood loss, and still maintaining its relentless drive to hunt and survive. They've been observed with horrific wounds, often sustained during territorial disputes or while taking down much larger prey, yet they continue their pursuit of food and dominance. This isn't just about toughness, it speaks to a truly extraordinary physiology, involving rapid tissue regeneration and an incredibly efficient circulatory system that prioritizes vital organs even under duress. Their bodies are built for enduring hardship, a crucial adaptation for thriving in the harsh environments they inhabit. Wolverines are incredibly resilient animals, but even they face significant challenges. Historically, their range stretched across much of North America and Eurasia. Sadly, human activities have dramatically reshaped that landscape, leading to a worrying fragmentation of wolverine populations today. As forests shrink due to logging and development, and as roads carve through traditional territories, these solitary creatures find themselves isolated in smaller pockets of suitable habitat. This isolation is particularly concerning because it limits their ability to interbreed, which is crucial for maintaining healthy genetic diversity. Without gene flow between groups, populations become more vulnerable to disease and less able to adapt to changing environmental conditions, ultimately threatening their long-term survival in certain regions. The wolverine's fierce reputation isn't just about dramatic stories, it reflects a vital ecological role. They are truly apex predators in many Arctic environments, meaning they sit at the very top of the food chain. This position isn't earned through brute strength alone, though they certainly possess that, but through their incredible adaptability and opportunistic hunting strategies. Wolverines will take down prey much larger than themselves, often targeting vulnerable animals or scavenging kills made by others. Their role is to keep populations in check, preventing overgrazing and disease spread among caribou, moose, and other key species. This tenacious survivor's presence ensures a healthier, more balanced ecosystem for everyone.